All right, so you might be wondering why we keep finding new moons around the gas giant planets. Well, the first answer to that is because we just keep looking. Astronomers are curious to know more about the history and evolution of our solar system. We know that gas giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn have, over the course of the solar system's life, captured a few objects that became moons, and it looks like there were probably collisions between these captured moons that broke them into smaller pieces and became the small moons that we see today. So by finding more and more moons, trying to complete the census of the solar system, we get a more complete look at the history of our little corner of the universe, which I think is a valuable thing to know. Thanks to the latest discoveries in orbit around Saturn, it now looks like maybe some of its captured moons collided within the last couple 100 million years. So some of these moons are very young in astronomical terms. Now it's been a little bit of a challenge to make these new discoveries. One way that's been done is by taking old archival images and just searching through them in a new way. Astronomers used a shift and stack technique. Based on how the moons orbit around the planets, they knew how far they should move between subsequent images. So they just shifted the images by that amount, stacked them on top of one another, and any small moons that were present would become much brighter and easier to see. That recently led to the discovery of new moons in orbit around Saturn, and there may be dozens or even hundreds more left to find.